What's up guys, for today's video we'll be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Camaro Redline Edition. So the engine on this Camaro is a 6.2 liter V8 that makes 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque that can go 27 highway and 17 city and go 0 to 60 in 4 seconds.
So on the driver door, you have the window control. Both windows are fully automatic. Right above it, you have the mirror control. You also have the light strip. You have 2 memory seat, lock and unlock in the door handle. You also have the Bose speaker and the trunk release. And on the steering wheel, you get leather wrapped flat bottom steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise controls with the heated steering wheel. Right below you have your favorite channels, volume control, controls for the infotainment system. You also have the rev match. And on the left hand side you have your turning signals with the light control. And on the right hand side you have your windshield wiper control. Also on the left you have your heads-up display controls. You can control the speed, the RPM, radio, compass. And on the screen you have your speed with mileage. You have trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, timer, speed limit. You also have your performance page, G-force, oil temperature, oil pressure, transmission fluid, tire temperature. You have your audio, phone, navigation. And options, you have your units, you have your theme, information page, you also have your speed warning and software information. Right along the center console you have the 8-inch color screen. Right below you have the radio controls, climate control. You have heated and vented seats on both sides. You also have the air vent, hazards. You have your 6-speed manual transmission. With backup camera. You also have your traction control, mode selector. You can choose from Tour, Sport, Track, and Snow and Ice. You also have your electronic parking brake, 12-volt power outlet, 2 cup holders, and on the center console you have 2 USBs and auxiliary cord, and your wireless charging. And on the screen you have your audio with Sirius XM.
It is what they care.
You have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, settings. You have time and date, drive modes. You can control the engine sound and the steering wheel, language, valet modes. You can lock up the screen and the infotainment system for the valet. You also have your teen driver. You can view report cards such as distance travel, maximum speed, overspeed warnings, and you can manage settings such as volume limit, speed limit, and speed warning. You also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display, rear camera, return to factory settings, software information, and Wi-Fi. You also have text, weather,
OnStar ready. Thank you. Goodbye.
you also have your lighting, which is on the door, between the cup holders, and on top of the screen. You can turn it off, link to drive modes, or choose your color. You also have traffic. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $42,000. They added the Redline edition, which includes 20-inch black wheels with red accent, black painted mirrors, black bow ties, SS lower grille, deckline blackout, hash mark decals, dark finish tail lamps, and premium floor mats. They also added the 8-speed automatic transmission, power sunroof, and the navigation screen, which all comes up to $48,325. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.